and thank you very much for clicking onto this video. I've just filmed another video there with my add-ons extra choices, which include the refill mystery bundle and an ordinary bundle from the add-on sale. I just did it in a separate video in case it ran on too long, but this is my summer box. It just came. It was slightly delayed, but I can't complain because sometimes I get them really early. So as long as I know it's on its way, I'm happy. And I think it just depends on what your choices are, because I think they a lot of the products that FabFitFun choose are sort of maybe late arriving to the warehouse and stuff like that. So yeah, so here it is, and I'm going to open it now if I can figure out where the start is. And I have my little trusty IKEA knife, which you can't buy these knives anymore, and they are honestly really good. I just keep this one sharpened, and that's what it looks like inside. And here we go. So I'm just going to set it down to make it easier. So we have the coupon again. This is a regular thing now. It's $15 off your first box. Now that's the code. I'm going to flip it round, put it on screen there. It's kind of first come, first served. But if I remember, I'll put my regular code for $10 off in the description box. So that's the magazine. Tells you a little bit about the products. It is a really good magazine in its own right. I like looking at some of the articles. They have little recipes and everything, but I think everybody complains that they don't put enough information about the actual items in there, including the prices. So yeah, that's that. Oh, the stickers, little stickers fell out. Hold on a second. The stickers seem to be a regular thing now as well. I like the watermelon. There we go. And we UK, nobody gets sort of free samples. I don't think we've ever gotten free samples, but we did get a free product. Every FabFit member got it, whether you were seasonal or annual, and that's the KO body scrubber. So this seems really like an interesting product. That's it there. I think they have videos on the website that tells you the proper way to use it, so definitely I'll be giving it a go. And I'm not gonna do take the products out in order. I'm just gonna pick them as they are. So, and the next product, and this product is actually lying open. It's probably came undone in the box, but it's I think it's a leave-in conditioner. That's it there. And I was reading up about this and it seemed really interesting. I think it's the ingredients in it. If I find out more, I'll put it down there, but it just seemed really interesting and I decided to grab it. I mean, I'm sure it was really expensive, but there's only 150 mils in there. I go through quite a lot of conditioner, but I heard it was really good. And oh, it's all sealed, I don't want to open it. But yeah, I'm looking forward to using that. Next up is the bralette from Free People. And to be honest, this intrigued me because I don't buy myself expensive underwear. I didn't buy it to wear on its own. I put it to wear underneath things, so I wasn't really worried about how fancy it was, but it really is fancy. I don't know, sometimes fancy underwear makes you feel really better, and yeah, it's lovely. And Free People It's not really ready available here, and I know it's an expensive brand, so it'd be nice just to try it out. And also, I have really lots of dark underwear, so it's nice to have a lighter colour. Next up, oh, this, I sort of made my choices, and then at the last minute I was reading the community forum and lots of people were going for these. It's from Z Gallery and they're little storage containers. I have an awful lot of storage containers already, but these just look interesting and lots of people seem to be going for them, so I decided to go for them as well. So there's two of them. I'm just going to open one, and if I could, we don't have Z Gallery here, which is another reason I went for it. I heard lots of good things about Z Gallery, but they just look pretty smart and I think they'll just look really nice. Either I have lots of dark colours in my kitchen now, so it'll look really nice I think in my kitchen. And it has a little sort of, that's a gold top and that's a ceramic. And it says Z Gallery underneath, and they're quite substantial. Get a lot of stuff in those, so yeah. So there's two of those. And next up is the little desk pad. Now, I think it's one of the items I was actually most excited about. I need a new mouse pad. And when I seen this, I thought it will kill two birds with one stone, because not only is it the mouse pad, it'll just keep my little desk area nice and neat. Yeah, and I seen a couple of YouTubers with it before I picked it as my choice, and after watching their videos then I just confirmed that I definitely wanted it. If I can open it, 1 second. So it definitely feels like that sort of scuba rubber material that mouse pads are generally made with, only this one is longer, so that's nice. Yeah, so that is something different. And this is the last product. Actually, no, it's not the last product. It's the second last product. And this is a candle. I love candles. So candles will not go to waste. And I think a lot of people generally like this. The YouTube videos that I've seen already like it and like the smell. I think it's citrus and sea salt. So they're pretty unoffensive smells. Well, that's it there. The label's coming up. And it does exactly, it smells sort of salty and definitely citrusy. So yeah, like that, and I'll definitely use it. What's up? The last product. Now, I like this because of, there's actually two in this bundle. I'll show you the, alright, yeah. So, two pieces in this bundle. The first is from Bubble Bar. Again, Bubble Bar talked about a lot. FabFitFun, work with them all the time. They're in the sales. Not so accessible here. It's not ready available here. And they had this little set which includes, I don't want to open it. Oh, let's see, hold on. Their necklace, I'll put a picture here of what it is, but they're necklace extenders, which are really, really handy. And I thought this was really interesting. It's a little clasp, and you can use it to attach up to 3 different necklaces to the one clasp, and it just makes layering easy, because every time you take the necklace on or off, you're just undoing one clasp instead of 3. if that makes any sense. I think it confused a lot of people in the forum, but the idea is you attach 3 individual necklaces, say, and then every time you want to take the on or off, you're just undoing one. It just makes life easier and then prevents them tangling up. So that's it. It was only available in gold, so that's a little nice little accessory there. But I really like this necklace here, and it's from Sanctuary. I'm just going to open it and see what it's like. And I think if you pick this necklace, or you purchase this necklace wherever, it actually part of the money goes to a charity, which I like. I always like that idea too. But that's it there, and it looks sort of like a little rose quartz necklace, and it's not flat. Somebody was saying they thought it would be flat on the back, but it's not. It's sort of rounded in both sides, and it just seems really pretty and nice for the summer. So really love that. So that is my box. It's short and sweet. Yeah. A bit late compared to everybody else, but at least I've got it. And if you've any questions, please feel free to put them in the comments below. And if you've made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a lovely day or a lovely evening wherever you are. Thank you. Bye bye.